వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. రాజ్యసభలో కేంద్ర మానవ వనరుల శాఖ మంత్రి స్మృతి ఇరానీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Engagement called Know Your College, and under the Know Your College platform, which is also a mobile app, what we have done is give details of every academic institution that is registered with the regulators, be it AICTE or UGC, and ensure that even details of the academicians and professionals engaged by those institutions are details which are in the public domain. Additionally, what we have done is that if any institution is lying or misleading the public with regards to the information that they have registered with the regulator, then the concerned citizen or student or parent can bring it to the notice of the regulator, and the regulator takes appropriate action. I would like to here also state, sir, that our learned colleague who has moved this particular private member's bill is extremely concerned about the exorbitant fees and exorbitant monies which students have to dole out to seek education. Unfortunately, many in this house and across the nation will accept that education has become more or less a pursuit of certification and less about pursuit of excellence. And it is our endeavor that education once again under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister becomes a pursuit of excellence, because our nation, our civilization as a whole was claimed and acclaimed and applauded as Jagat Guru because of the kind of intellectuals, the kind of thinkers we had in our country. And that is only possible, sir, if we give enough impetus not only to science and technology, but also social sciences, pure sciences. I would like to say here, sir, that with regards to the honorable member's concern that how can education be stopped from becoming too exorbitant, especially for students who are from disadvantaged communities, I must here declare to the august house that in the ministry we are in the process of starting a massive open online course platform, MOOCs platform called Swayam. The features of Swayam will be this. We recognize that there is a huge number of dropouts after the 8th standard, and not many then gravitate from the 8th standard to 10th, 12th, or for that matter opt for higher education. To recognize this particular challenge, we also additionally applied ourselves to a solution through the MOOCs platform, which currently we have a certain close to 500 courses. We have also in an engagement with the National Open School NIOS ascertain that courses for standard 10, standard 12 certification courses will also be available on this MOOCs platform, which will also be a mobile app looking at the penetration of mobiles, which is higher in our country as compared to computers. And we will ensure that all the courses that run on this particular platform, as engaged by the Government of India and as designed by the Government of India, courses, be it diploma courses, certificate courses, 10th standard, 12th standard courses, they will be available to every Indian citizen free of cost, sir. And we are hoping that through everybody's engagement and support, we can popularize it once it comes into the public domain. Currently, what the ministry is working at is not only designing the course through institutions like the central universities, IITs, IIMs, NITs, and even some from the private sector who want to contribute to growth of education in the country. What we are also doing, sir, is that in conjunction with the UGC AICTE, we are ensuring that courses on this platform get adequate credit. I'm sure my learned colleague knows that many a times the challenge is that when you do an online course and you don't have a complementary credit, it doesn't give you movement all across the country. UGC and AICTE is currently in the process, sir, of designating credits for each course.
కాలేజీ విద్యార్థుల సమస్యలు అలాగే డ్రాప్ అవుట్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు రాజ్యసభ